Hey y'all, Coach Felix here. I want to show you how to split your screen real quick so that you know how to do this while you are trying to simultaneously watch your workout video and film your video in Flipgrid. So the first thing you're going to do when you get to this Flipgrid page for your module 10.2 workout is you're going to click on the 12-minute Tabata workout video, and then you're going to click open in a new video. That should open a complete new page right here, and that's one of the pages you're going to need. Okay, we're going to close out of this, and now we're going to click record a response so that we can be working out and recording ourselves while we're watching that video. So after you click record a response, you will click on and drag out your workout video. You're going to want to click minimize, this button right here. After you do that, you're going to drag this entire box over to the left or right side of your screen. It doesn't matter which one until you see the little shadow pop up on your screen. Now you're going to select your Flipgrid side. So this is Flipgrid right here. It'll look differently for you because you will actually have access to your camera. My camera is being used right now to film this video. So this is Flipgrid, and it will give you the options to go ahead and start filming. This is your workout. You should press play on your workout and press record on your video at the same time, so it's recording you while you're working out. After you finish working out and completing the video, you can close this video, maximize your Flipgrid page, and then you can add any of those effects that you want. So you can change your background, you can do the Lego kind of background as well, background effects, so that we don't necessarily see you, add emojis, whatever you want to do, you can make the video as cool as you want to. All right, so that's how you're going to split your screen in order to complete this assignment.